Police are allowed to search your car, your home, or your business when they have 1, have a warrant, 2, you consent to it, 3, they have probable cause.
If the police stop you in your vehicle and ask you to search your car, you can tell them no to get a warrant. If they show up at your front door, you can tell them no, get a warrant. Same thing for your business. The most important thing to remember is they have to have some reason to search. They can't just go on a fishing expedition. And you should always ask to see the warrant.
A warrant is a document signed by a judge based on police officer's probable cause. Police officer will file an affidavit to the judge saying, we have reason to believe there is either criminal activity going on or contraband or for some other reason. A seasoned trial attorney can challenge the validity of the warrant or the presence of a warrant later in court. Don't get in the police officer's way, let them do their job.
If you're on probation, formal or informal, they're allowed to search you and your vehicle and your residence at any time that they want to. That's the enormous sword that's hanging over your head when you're on probation.
For your car, it's generally what's called, they can look in and they see something. So if you left a pipe out on your seat, they look in and they see it, well then they can look in your car to see if, you have the drugs that go with the pipe. If they want to get into your trunk and that sort of thing, unless they hear somebody banging on the trunk or they can smell the drugs coming out of it, they can't search any of that without a warrant.
In some circumstances, incident to your arrest, the driver's arrest, or the tow of the vehicle. For example, if you're pulled over for DUI and you're taken into custody, at that point, if the driver's taken into custody, in most circumstances, the police can search your car. If, however, the police pull you over for a minor infraction such as speeding or registration violations, then at that point they have to limit the scope of their search or their investigation to the reason that they stopped you.
If the police pull your car over and ask if they can search it, I always advise my clients to be polite, to be respectful, and to deny that request.
To search your home is much more tricky because there is a much greater expectation of privacy in your residence as opposed to your vehicle, which you generally drive in public. If, however, they don't have a warrant, at that point, probably a better idea to let them know that you prefer them not invading your privacy and searching your residence without some kind of exigent circumstances or presence of a warrant.